Are you tired of asking and still receiving nothing? There's a name of Allah that gives even before you ask. He is Al-Wahhab, the giver of gifts, the one who gives without limits, without asking for anything in return. He gives to the broken. He gives to the forgotten. He gives when doors are shut and hope seems gone. Al-Wahhab turns empty hands into overflowing ones. If you're drowning in worries, say his name. Ya Wahhab, say it after Fajr 300 times and watch doors of Rizq open wide. Say it in the middle of the night, in sujood, and your needs will melt away. Write it, keep it with you, feel the burden lift. Al-Wahhab doesn't give because you deserve it. He gives because he loves you. Don't scroll past this name. Make it a part of your life and watch how your life changes. Like, share, and save this. Because someone you love might need this name today. Follow for more divine names with hidden treasures.